Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about two concepts in JavaScript, like callback functions and higher order functions. So let's see the first of all, let's see the callback function. What is callback function? How to use that callback function? So callback function. Yeah. So callback function is nothing but it's a function. Can pass this one as a argument to the another function. So let's see the one example, then you can easily get what is meaning of the callback function. So let's create a one. Here I'm creating a one function here. Function. This I'm naming as a inner function and console dot log. Hello world. I'm printing hello world. Yeah. After that, here I have to. Here I'm creating another function, the name outer function. Outer. Okay. And here I'm calling the outer function. Outer function. So in this outer function, I'm passing this inner function as an argument. Let's see. Inner function as an argument. In this outer function, here I'm accessing with the callback function. In this outer function, I'm calling this callback function. Okay. So let's print it. Oh, something is wrong. Inner function. Yeah, sorry. Triple line. Yeah. Hello world. So the meaning of callback function is it is a function. So in this both functions, which one is callback function? This inner is the callback function. So this callback function also called after execution of outer function. That this is also one of the definition for this. Yeah, the main definition of that is in callback function. So now I think you got an idea about the callback function. So let's see the another one is higher order function. Higher order function. So in this higher order function, it is nothing but it is a function. So it works with some other functions, or it's written the another function. So that is the main definition of higher order function. So let's see the one example for this. Then you can get a better idea about this function. Sorry, yeah, function. Here also I'm creating one function console.log. Here also I'm printing hello world, hello world, and another function. Another function is outer function, and I'm calling outer function. Yeah, what I said here are what is the meaning of higher order function? Higher order function is nothing but it's a function. It works with some other functions, and it's written the another function also. So here this is one function. It works with inner function. Okay, it works with inner function. So let's see. Here I'm passing this inner function as an argument with callback. In this callback, I'm calling this function. Sorry, in this outer, I'm calling this inner function with the callback name. Okay. Here I'm passing this inner function as an argument to this higher order function. So I think you got an idea about what is the main difference of callback function and the higher order function. So in that higher order function itself, we can use these callback functions. We can call the callback functions. So these callback functions we are calling in the higher order functions. Okay. Yeah, that is the main concept here. Let's see. Here I'm commenting these codes, above codes, and I'm executing this. Yeah, this is the main concepts of and main examples of this higher order functions and callback functions. I think you got an idea about higher what is meaning of higher order functions and what is the meaning of callback functions. So if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.